is Ana Paula Garza, and we're gonna present the stages in our PIA project. Here are my teammates Ana Regina Torres Escobedo, Montserrat Camacho Vázquez, and César Alberto Tovar Hernández. I'm gonna begin by explaining this research that we did. So let's begin. Our body needs many things to be healthy, but our body is also made of tiny bodies, which we know as systems like the nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, etc. But we're going to talk about the muscular system. The muscular system is composed of specialized cells called muscle fibers. Their predominant function is contractibility. Muscles attached to the bones or internal organs and blood vessels are responsible for movement. The problem that we have here is that when a muscle is torn, it's damaged. Our robot would give physical therapy to the torn muscle and it will accelerate the healing process. The hypothesis that we have is that our robot, like I said, would help kind of massage the injury, the torn muscle. If we create a robot that will give muscular therapy to a tear muscle, it will speed the healing because physical therapy aids in reducing tear-related symptoms like swelling, bruising, and pain. Physical therapy focuses on manual techniques, therapeutic exercise, and neuromuscular reeducation to improve muscle length, tightness. It also helps in strength, muscular stability, joint mobility, and range of motion.
Okay, so in the stage 2, we made a poster where we explained that the muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are about of 700 named muscles attached to the bones that make up roughly half of a person's body weight. Each of these muscles is a discrete organ constructed of skeletal muscle tissue, blood vessels, tendons, and nerves. It will also explain that our robot will massage the injury, the torn muscle. The robot will accelerate the healing process by giving the torn muscle physical therapy. The physical therapy exercises accelerate healing by increasing cellular metabolism and the lymphatic drainage.
Well, in stage 3, we made a presentation of the 8 stages of programming in our robot. First, there is a little introduction about the muscular system. Then, in stage 1, which is definition of the problem, here we put the condition that we're going to treat in the muscular system is a torn muscle. What a robot is going to do is give physical or muscle therapy to the torn muscle, accelerating the healing process in some way. Then in phase 2, which is analysis, we put what our robot will do again, which is accelerating by healing by increasing cellular metabolism and lymphatic drainage, and a path of what our robot will do in the person's muscles. Then stage 3, which is design, we made the patient, which is the algorithm and the flowchart of how a robot will go through the body. Phase 4, which is coding, well, here we made the code in logic of the actions the robot was going to do. And in phase 5, which is debugging, we were making some we were trying that a robot do what we wanted to do, and there we put some errors we had at the moment when we tried. Then in phase 6, which is implementation of the program, which is the final video we took of how a robot do the path and how it finished. Then in phase 7, which is maintenance of the program, we said that the robot's route will not be the same in the body of a small person than in the body of a tall person. And then phase 8, which is documentation, we mentioned the function, the programming language, the structures, the data, and a flow explanation. And we made the user manual of how to use the robot.
The body during the stage 4, the body system that we got is the muscular system. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are about 700 muscles attached to the bones that make up the body's person weight. Each of these muscles is a discrete organ constructed of skeletal muscle, blood vessels, tendons, and nerves. In this medical case, our patient has multiple contractions in his body. Our robot's goal is to search for those pain areas and apply specialized medicines to reduce the pain and decrease the inflammation. The robot's main mission is to travel through the human body without interfering with organs. It will only travel through the skin. We're going to achieve this by using sequential and conditional programming in logic. Compared to the previous stages, during this one, we are going to control the robot movement through a ER sensor. For example, during this stage, we use the learns acquired from the three previous stages. The difference is that now with the IR sensor, we are going to control the robot's movements ourselves. We have first to program the robot remote control. For example, if you click button 1, it will move forward, and if you click button 2, it will go downwards. We change from sequential programming to conditional programming.